Hey everyone, welcome to Kaswell's Kappa, the channel where you learn how to work on your Kappa step by step. In today's video, we're going to learn to replace the floor console or the center console, the armrest, and your Kappa. Provide you with everything you need on how to replace this. Let's go see how it's done. So when it comes to removing the floor console or your center console, there are 4 things we need to look out for. First, there are 3 clips holding this in, 2 side by side and then 1 in the center. 2, there are little tabs up towards the front where your gear shift is. These kind of grab onto the trim and they keep it in place. Third, a big misconception people make is they like to take their hand, grab it in the back, and then they pull right up. That's not what you want to do when you remove this. You're going to take both your hands on the side and then you're going to lift up. Fourth, make sure your emergency handle is up. If it's down, you're not going to have enough room to pull up or do anything with it. You're going to get stuck real quick. So make sure that's up. So like I said, take your hands, pull up. There's the 2 in the front, or the 2 in the back, I'm sorry. And sometimes your front one will come out too. Mine did. Remember that you still got the tabs in the back, so try to wiggle it back and forth till it comes out, just like that. And then we can take it up and it's removed. To install the floor console or the center console, it's very easy. Slide it on. Going to angle it down, make sure that the front tabs are underneath the trim. Slide it down, try to get that first tab down, and then just push down the back until those clips are installed. If this one doesn't snap in place, it's either because it's off or it's too far. If you can't do it, give it a nice little tap, maybe it'll pop in place, just like that. That should be good, and your floor console is installed. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped you out, that you learned something new. If you happen to have more procedures that need to be done for your vehicle, hop on over to kaswellskappa.wixsite.com/kaswellskappa. I hope you get a new domain soon, so it's just kaswellskappa.com. That way you ain't got to type all that out. But on that website, you can find procedures for Kappas and non-Kappas, so that if you have to do anything else for your vehicle, it's there and available for y'all to follow along with. But other than that, that's all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all next time. Until then.